Hola, Adventurinos.
Good morning, internet friends.
Hey guys, today we are in Boca de Tomatlan at the mouth of the Rio Las Juntas, about a 35-minute drive from Puerto Vallarta. And today we're going to do a little hike. We're going to go for a swim at Playa Las Colomitos and have some lunch.
We will see you on the trail. Vámonos.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eye. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Take flight. So what have you been sitting there and thinking all this time? What's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here, right now, right here. I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our lives. You and me just laying blankets on the beach, and then at night I'll sing your favorite lullaby. I'm so glad I didn't give up easy, chasing after you. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Take flight. So what have you been sitting there and thinking all this time? What's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here. Every single second I just feel like I should say that I'm so glad I couldn't quit you. Every single moment I just hope you feel the same. It heals me when you say that you're tired. Take flight. So what have you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh. What's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here, right now. I will be right here, right now. I will be right here, right now. I will be right here, right now. I'm right here.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Everybody.
Now this is a bathroom with a view.
Bienvenidos a Playa Colomitos.
On yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Alrighty, Adventure Gang, that was our outing to Playa Los Colomitos. We hiked from Boca de Tomatlan. Took us about an hour and 15 minutes. I think you can do it a little faster maybe, but there was definitely, you know, some degree of difficulty to it. After that, we had lunch at the Ocean Grill, which was delicious, and then I had a great little swim at the beach there.
Well, thanks for joining in our adventure, friends. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
CJ out.
Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time.